National symbol of India. Today we'll learn what are the national symbol of India. So let's start. National flower of India. What is national flower of India? Lotus. National bird of India. Identify this. Peacock. National animals of India. Royal Bengal tiger. National tree of India. It's a banyan tree. National flag of India. Tricolor, or we call Tiranga. National currency of India. Rupees. Indian rupees, or in short form we write INR. National fruits of India. It's a mango. National vegetable of India. Identify this. Yes, pumpkin. Next, national reptile of India. It's king cobra. National river of India. The Ganga. National sports of India. Hockey. National days of India. Republic Day. We celebrate this on every year 26 January. Independence Day of India. 15th August. And third one is Gandhi Jayanti. National emblem of India. It's a Ashok Stambh taken from Sarnath. National songs of India. Vande Mataram. Yes, it's a Vande Mataram. National anthem of India. Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He. Jana Gana Man. National calendar of India. Saka calendar. National sweets of India. It's a jalebi. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share.